What's up? So right now I'm chilling, getting ready to get picked up to go to the airport. I am leaving for Cyprus today. My flight leaves from Hamburg, which is about 2 hours from here. My coach is picking me up. I'm gonna ride with him down to the airport. And then I'm going from Hamburg to Istanbul and Istanbul to Cyprus. So that'll be like the travel itinerary. I won't get to Cyprus till 11 o'clock. So basically all day I'll be traveling. So I'll get footage of that, and then I also will have footage in here of me hanging out with Jonas Monday. Jonas is a U18 player, and he is Muslim. So I celebrate with his family. My guy Simon, the other pro on the team, came. Ben, who's another U18 player, came, and then their friend Magnus came, and then obviously Jonas's family, his mom, sister, brothers, so his dad too. So you'll see all that. And then I got footage yesterday of me going to a national park with my German family, basically. A woman named Stina. She's been like a second mom to me since I've been here. And then her kids, Lena and Ola. We went down to the park, saw some nature, did some excursions, got some food, stuff like that. So I got some footage of that too. So that'll be like the footage in the vlog. So kind of just letting y'all know what you're going to be looking at after, I close out right here. So, yeah. So.
هذا الامريكاني كان يعلمني شويه موجودين اي والله حتى فا مخ هيك ولا طاقه ولا حاجه عنده صليت يا يونس؟ الله اكبر
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين.
Alright.
It's gotta be tight. It's gotta be real tight, bro. No homo.
Real tight. Like really real tight. Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Feel me?
Voila.
Kino كنت عشان يوقف.
Hit somebody.
Oh my god, was?
Ja.
Nee, wer ist das? Mago ist links.
See the vibes. Bro, that wolf look crazy. That look OD. I ain't trying to put these people on camera. My boy up there.